Hey everybody, it's Nazara, Nazarasfinecrafts, and today we're going to learn how to do the post double crochet rib stitch. I'm using impeccable yarn, which is a medium 4 and the color coral. There's 285 yards normally. This is just kind of one of my spare ones that I have. And then I am using a G hook. So to begin, we're going to start with an even stitch. So we're going to start with a chain of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what we're going to do is we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a double crochet. And then we're going to double crochet in each of the next chains. So double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 more. So if you did a chain 10, what you're going to end up with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then if you count the chain 4 that we, or chain 3 chains that we skipped, then we have 8. So remember that if you're working on a project or making a project and you do an even stitch, that you want to do that even though you do like 10, you're going to end up with only 8. So for row 2, we're going to chain 2, turn our work. So we chain 2, turned our work. So now we're going to front post double crochet. So we need to yo or wrap or yarn around, yarn over, and then we're going to go through the first 2, between the first 2 double crochets, and come up between the 2nd and 3rd double crochet. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. For the next, we're going to back post double crochet around the next post. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to this time go around the back and come up between the 2nd and 3rd, and then we're going to go back down. Can you see the hook is going to go in front of that double crochet, and it's going to go back to the back here between the 3rd and 4th, and we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that's a front and that's a back. So now we're going to yarn over again, and we're going to repeat this process. So we're going to do a front, so we're coming from the front, going between the 3rd and 4th, coming up between the 4th and 5th, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Then we're going to do a back. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to go around back and come up through the 4th and 5th and back down between the 5th and 6th. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Next, we're going to repeat the front post. So back, coming from the front, we're going to yarn over, we're going to go through the 5th and 6th and come up through the 6th and 7th. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go from the back up through the 6th and 7th and go down, go towards the back between the 7th and 8th. Then do your double crochet again. And then you're going to go ahead and front post around the attaching chain. So once again, we're going to come from the front, go in, come up the side, and double crochet. So you should have 8 double crochets, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. For the third row, we're going to chain 2 again. We're going to turn our work. We're going to skip this very first one, and we're going to go into this one, and we're going to front post double crochet. Ooh. You're always going to start with a front post, and then you're going to do a back post around the one that recedes into the back. And then we're going to do a front post again, and then a back. A front post, and then a back. And if it's an even number, you should always end in a front post around joining chain. So this is what we're getting. We're getting the ribbed effect. Fourth row, you're going to double crochet, turn your work, and then we're going to front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and then we're going to do a front post around the joining chain. And that's how you do the post double crochet rib. Now there's another way you can do it if you wanted to, which is an alternating front post, back post. So if you double crochet, turn your work, instead of going to a front post, you could do a back post this time, and it pulls it through. Then you could do a front post, back post. So any of the ones that look like a back post, you would do a front to pull it forward, and any of the ones that are front post, you would do a back to pull it back. And this creates a different design or texture. And of course this end would end, this row would end, went to that one backwards, would end with a back post. So you see how the ribs are pretty consistent here. So if we did chain 2, turn, this time we're going to do a front, and then a back. So you alternate it starting with a back or front, and it's pretty easy to see which way it goes because of which way the stitch is popping forward. So let's keep going so I can show you the difference between the two textures. Yeah, of course, end in the front. Then we're going to chain 2, turn. This one I'm going to do the back post because I started with the front post last. And you want to finish with the back double crochet because I started. So can you see the difference? So this is the first rows that we did, and it has the ribs up just constantly right there. And then this one does more of a basket weave type where it goes up, down, and then there's opposites, up, down. So those are two different types of post double crochet ribs that you could do. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll have more video tutorials coming. And once again, if you like it, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later. Bye!